Travel the world with you, 'cause I know where you'd go. I know you've wanted to, since I let you close. And I see the water as we fly to Rome. If we have a daughter, I'll make sure she knows. With all the things you taught us, until the day arrives where you don't fit in my arms. I only hope you grow up knowing that you are loved. She said I'd wait, I said I'd stay, as long as you marry me. I would travel the world with you. You just have to ask. Perhaps we should plan it through. With 3 seats at last, I feel the water as we run our bath for our 3-month-old daughter who's just learned how to love. And time is moving slow, but you've been growing so fast. And you were born with eyes that help us understand love, until the day arrives where you no longer need us. No, you were the best thing that's ever happened to us. She said I'd wait, I said I'd stay, as long as you marry me. I said maybe you'll come with me, and we'll start a family.
Oh yeah. 105 is a number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will